everyone, welcome back. I am here with Walter. He is my niece's little boy and he is absolutely darling. Are you darling? No, you're awesome, huh? You're so cute. Okay, I wanted to show you the before. I'm going to turn him around. I want to show you the haircut that we do on Walter. If you're a mom out there and you don't love to come get your boys' haircut, this is a really good cut just because it lasts a long time. So anyway, we are doing a number 2. Woo, does it tickle, Walter? Tickle, tickle. Okay, so just coming along the sides by the ear. Oh, you are doing awesome, buddy. Okay, then I'm going to come back here. Good job. You are doing so good, bud. Are you okay? Is that a yes? He's like, okay, RaDona, enough. Okay, so I'm just taking this length off. He loves the way it feels once we get this length off. Don't you, Walt? You always take your fingers up like this and feel it, don't you? Okay, now and come up these sides. Take the sides off. Okay. Is that feeling better? Yeah, good. Good, good. He gets to start preschool, don't you, bud? Getting a preschool haircut. You're gonna look so good. So you guys can see, I'm gonna turn him around. This is how far I go up with the number 2. And then we're just gonna spray it down. Ooh, is that cold, bud? And then his mom likes it just nice and short, just so we can just stand it up a little bit with some gel. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like finger length here on top. So you can see I started in the middle and then I go to the right and now I go to the left. And then after that, I come back and I do the crown area. And I just follow the hair that I cut right before. And that way, that's how I keep track of where I am when I cut. Okay. All right. Now you can just sit up here, bud. Good job. Okay. And then I come up just the little section in front of the hair that I have cut. And again, I do the middle and then I go to the right, which is your left, I guess, and then back and forth this way. Okay, you're just gonna spray it down a little bit more. Does that feel good, bud? Good. Okay, same thing here. Middle, then I go to the side, and then the other side, then middle, and side. You are being so good, Walt. You are awesome. Okay, little. Then side, then this side. Then I'm going to spray this down a tiny bit more. Woo, it's going to get you, huh, buddy? Okay, we're going to hold this up. Okay, put your head up a little bit. Good job right there, buddy. Good job. Okay, now to check what I have just cut, we're going to go down the middle. So since I cut straight this way, now we're going to come up this way, and we're going to make sure that this is all even. So you can see if there's any little bit that's poking up, you can cut it so it's straight. Okay, and then after that, after you check that, then I like to come and do the front. Is this relaxing, buddy? Are you getting tired? Are you good? Yes? You're so handsome. You are a handsome boy. Okay, and then we are going to blend these sides now. I love to use a blending comb. It makes a world of difference. If you just take a regular comb, it will make a difference if you use a blending comb, which is really thin. Okay, so you're going to come in and then hold really still right here. Okay, buddy? Good job. You're going to come in and hold this out a little bit, the comb. And then you're going to, are you okay? Does that tickle? Okay, come in, and then we're just going to take this hair off. We're blending. Good job. The top with these sides. Does that sound funny, Walt? That sounds funny, huh? Are you excited to fill your hair when we're all done? Yeah, that's the best part, huh? Okay, now we're going to come to this side. Same thing. We're going to blend this. If you're just starting to blend, maybe instead of going horizontal like this with the clippers, probably just go up vertical this way. It takes less hair off at a time, and then you can just go a little bit slower. But if you've done it a little bit longer, you can go back and forth horizontal. Takes more hair off at a time. Okay, you're doing awesome, Walt. Okay, let's look at this camera. Yeah, perfect, right there. You okay? You doing good? Okay, now we're just gonna blend this part a little bit more. Good job. Oh, got a little itch? There, is that better? Okay, you're doing so awesome. Okay, now if you can just hold your head right there, super still. Good job. You're amazing. I bet you deserve a treat after this, huh? You think? Yeah. Okay, so we're just blending this in. Okay, blending the sides. Okay, now this way. Good job, buddy. Look at RaDona. Okay, stay right there. Good job, bud. You're doing awesome. Okay, now this way. Good boy. Very good. Now this way. Okay. All right, now I'm going to come around to the front and look in the mirror so I can see if it's blended. Wow, look at you, Walt. You look good. You look really good. Okay, there's a little bit right here that I'm going to blend. Tiny bit better. Okay, hold really still for just a second. This way. Good job. You are doing amazing, bud. Okay, then I'm going to check corners. Okay, look this way. Good job. Okay, just check these corners. Okay, good job, buddy. We are getting there. And checking the corners is just coming on the outside of where you've blended up to the top. Okay, well, you're almost done. After this, guess what we're going to do? Around your ears and your neck, and then we'll put gel in it, and you'll be all done. Are you so pumped? Are you excited to be done? You've done so good. There, does that feel better? All right, now the trimmers. I'm going to turn on the trimmers. We're going to go straight across right here. Can you hear them? Let's hear them. Can you hear it? Woo! Do you like that? Good job. You're doing so awesome. Okay, and then down the side. Whoa, this kind of tickles. Okay, straight down. Good job, Walter. And then up this side. Okay, whoop. Good job. Hold your head really still. You're awesome. Okay, and then right here by his ear. Whoa, you can really hear it, huh? Is that kind of quiet or is it loud? It is right by your ear, huh? Oh, you are so awesome. You did it. Look how good you are. Okay, now what we're going to do is grab the gel. I'm going to put the gel in his hair. Okay, and then a little bit of hairspray, and I'm going to turn him to the front. Let's see. Oh, yeah, you look cool. Do you like that? Is that good? Does it feel better? Okay. All right. Can you wave to everybody? Can you tell them bye? Say, see ya. Okay. Thank you, Walter, for letting me show off your haircut. Hopefully this helps you, and you're awesome. Almost done, huh? Okay. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks again for your support. See ya. Bye.